Breaking news out of Maine, a police officer from Old Orchard Beach has been arrested by ICE and has now agreed to voluntarily leave the United States. The officer, identified as John Luke Evans, originally from Jamaica, was taken into custody on July 25th as part of ICE's stepped-up enforcement efforts. What makes this case unusual is that town officials say federal authorities had previously told them Evans was legally authorized to work in the U.S. They even ran his information through the federal E-Verify system before hiring him. Now ICE claims Evans overstayed his visa and unlawfully tried to purchase a firearm. After weeks in detention, a judge granted him voluntary departure, meaning Evans will leave the U.S. at his own expense rather than face deportation. This case has sparked controversy between ICE and local officials over whether E-Verify can truly be relied upon. What do you think? Was this a system failure or reckless oversight? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss when we drop a new video here on Sonic Snap.